Today we're going to make one of my very favorite recipes. It's an Italian flatbread salad. It's been in my family for years. We're going to start with the first two ingredients because we got to set it overnight. So you want to get some bread dough and place it in a deep bowl. And you want to go ahead and pour some olive oil over it. I recommend using a really good olive oil too because it picks up the flavoring. Now, we're going to go ahead and cover this with saran wrap. And we're going to set it on our counter overnight. Okay? And I've got one ready so we can get the salad underway. Okay, now this is the way it should look when it's all risen. Now we want to punch the bread dough down, and you want to be sure that all the air is out of it. Next, you want to go ahead and break it off in pieces and leave it in the bowl so we can prepare our pan. Now you can make 4 servings out of this, or you can make 2 big flatbreads, depending on how you want to do it. Now we're going to roll this into a ball, and it's sticky. Okay. And we've got 3 nice heaping helpings right here. Now you want to get your pan nice and warm, and we want to use fresh butter to heat up our pan. Okay? Here's the secret to making this so delicious. You need just a pinch of salt, garlic salt. We're seasoning our pan, and you want cracked pepper right there. And you want to go ahead and take your bread dough and you want to place it over the butter like so. All right, now you need a big spatula for this. You want to be sure that the bread starts to brown very quickly. That's the key. You want to be sure it picks up all those seasonings. You keep pressing until it becomes really flat, so you want to get all the air out of the bread. And you want to put the pan on really high, okay? Keep turning it and flipping it. It's going to brown very quickly. Okay. You can see how all the seasonings are starting to go into the bread. Okay. It's starting to brown up pretty quickly here. I like to make it as big as I can so I can have a lot of salad on it. Okay, we're going to flip it one more time. Yeah, now it's starting to get good and brown. That's why you want to use the butter. Don't use oil in this because it's just going to make it real greasy. The butter gives it a good crispy crust. All right, we're going to go ahead and move this out of the way. It's almost ready. Now it's almost done. You want to be sure to have a plate ready so you can put it on the plate, and you're going to want to leave it cool once we get it on the plate. Now you can turn off your heat. We've cooked it on high, and we're just going to flip it one more time to be sure it gets brown on both sides. That's the way that you want it to look right there. Now, you're going to pull it off the heat and place it on your salad plate. Okay? Now it's ready. Let's build a salad. You want to use fresh ingredients. So let's start with the lettuce, okay? I like mixed greens. I think it really makes the salad look beautiful. And try to stack them up high. This is a beautiful plate. Try to get as high as you can. And I like to use a lot of the red leaves. That really makes it very beautiful. I remember when I was little, we would stack the salad and see who could get it the highest. All right, there we go. And next you want to go ahead and add some white onion. This makes it really colorful. Go ahead and dice it. Sometimes I also sliver the onion too, make it real translucent. Now you can add blue cheese or feta cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and use the feta cheese today for color. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. And you can go ahead and place some of the cheese around the bread and let it melt a little bit on that hot bread. It's so good. All right, now I made these ahead of time, but you can take your walnuts and put them in butter and brown sugar, and it really adds flavoring to this delicious salad. And again, you can't have enough of these walnuts on your salad. Oh, it's looking so good. Now, no salt and pepper on this salad. It's healthy. We're going to drizzle a little bit of balsamic vinegar over the top, like so. And you want to get a sweet balsamic vinegar. That is really the ticket here to making it so delicious. Okay, now it's finished. I hope you'll make this salad a part of your family recipes. I'm Susie Homemaker. That's Keeping Life Simple. We'll see you back here next time.